A different way to prepare eggs. Super easy and delicious. To start, in a bowl, add 3 cups of natural yogurt, 2 cups of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, and stir. Tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. To continue, in a pot, add water, and when it starts to boil, grease a large spoon with olive oil. Now place 1 egg on the spoon, dip it into the water, and let it cook for 1 minute. After it's cooked, remove it from the spoon with the help of a spatula, add in the water, and let it cook for another 1 minute. And repeat the same process with 4 eggs. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and is super delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. Next, in a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and stir. After that, in a bowl, add all the yogurt mixture that we made. Now add the eggs, and on top, pour the sauce that we made. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love eggs." To finish, add chives. The amount is to taste. And our recipe is ready. Now you can just enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.